Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional details, are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using FreeTaxUSA. FreeTaxUSA is a budget-friendly tax filing software solution tailored for individuals and families seeking a cost-effective yet comprehensive way to manage their federal and state tax returns. With free federal filing and a reasonable fee for state returns, it presents excellent value compared to many other tax software options on the market. FreeTaxUSA caters to a broad spectrum of tax situations, making it a flexible choice for both straightforward and more intricate tax filings. The platform supports all major IRS forms, schedules, and deductions, encompassing those relevant to self-employed individuals, small business owners, and investors. Users can file using forms such as Schedule C, D, E, and F, and the software effectively handles tax credits for dependents, education expenses, and retirement contributions. Navigating the platform is simple, thanks to a straightforward interface that guides users step by step through the filing process, providing clear explanations and helpful prompts along the way. Furthermore, FreeTaxUSA incorporates built-in error checking to minimize potential mistakes and ensure the accuracy of your return. A notable feature is the Deluxe Edition, available for a small fee, which offers valuable benefits like priority support, unlimited amended returns, and access to live chat assistance. This upgrade makes it an especially appealing option for users seeking additional support without a hefty price tag. FreeTaxUSA also offers a 100% accuracy guarantee, promising reimbursement for any penalties or interest incurred due to software errors. The software also supports prior year imports, which is a time saver for returning users or those switching from a different tax platform. While FreeTaxUSA delivers robust functionality, it does lack some of the premium features found in more expensive software, such as in-depth audit assistance or direct access to tax professionals. Its interface, while functional and easy to use, may appear less polished compared to some higher-priced competitors. However, for budget-minded users who prioritize value and reliability, these drawbacks are relatively minor. In conclusion, FreeTaxUSA is an excellent choice for taxpayers seeking an affordable yet powerful tax filing solution. With its comprehensive support for diverse tax scenarios, built-in error-checking tools, and the optional deluxe features, the value it offers is difficult to match. Click the links in the description to explore FreeTaxUSA and begin working on your tax return today.